Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as usual. Now, big question at the moment is, are we going to find some support here? And that is at 118.058. Nice big double bottom here. You can see there's the double bottom, there's the neckline, a big W here. And we've broken through, but we haven't really met this target. So for me, this is kind of 50-50. We have a crossover of the moving averages, which is bullish. We're just not above the 155 at the moment, but the 33 and the 66 EMA are both crossed over and bullish. If we come down to the hour, you'll see a complete different picture, and that is a bearish picture. So basically all that means to me is we are in a consolidation range, and that is it. There you can see fairly low at the bottom here. Our oscillators all grouped the downside, extremely oversold. So this is not offering any opportunities for me at the moment to buy or sell right now. So if I'm going to sell, I want to be selling higher up, and if I'm going to be buying, I want to be on the right side of the moving averages, and I'm not. So this is a clear sit on hands for me until I see the structure develop. Moving across to US dollar Japanese yen, pretty much the same situation here. Lots of structure to the left, and you can see moving averages are flat on the 8 hour. We are making higher lows, and see these gradually climbing higher, but not really making any headway to the upside. So clearly range bound, and range bound markets are not what I want to be trading. So when we get down to the hour, a little bit of a different picture. You can see oscillators group the upside in the moving averages as well, but we have sort of a bearish view from the moving averages. But my view at the moment, that is sideways. Look to the left, it's all sideways. I am not interested in trading sideways markets, so we will sit on our hands with that pair. British pound, Japanese yen. We've got a fairly strong sort of attempt to get higher. You know, had a strong move down, and then I've been relatively, let's just call it a grind, shall we? But we are moving above the moving averages, and the moving averages are crossing over. So there is some structure forming to the upside, and it is also replicated on the hour as well. So look here to the left. There's the structure to the left, and that's right here at 152.113. Look at the oscillators. We've had a strong move up. We've had a pullback, and look what's happened the last couple of times. Move up, pull back, move up, pull back. So that, to me, we should be looking for opportunities to buy here, and pretty nice trade, because that is our target right now. So that would be 152.830 area. That's the measured moves to the upside. So yeah, watch during the European Open, I would look for the London breakout strategy. So wait for the first 7 1-hour bars for today. And if we start breaking above the high of those first 7 bars, that gives you the opportunity to look for longs, and your stop is below the low of the day. This gap is still open, so I expect it to be sort of up and down in this range until we get some direction. If it does break the downside, there's still an opportunity to play that London breakout to the downside as well. But I suspect this is sort of move up, flag, continuation. Okay, lastly, Euro British pound. So if we've got a strong pound this side, we're going to have a weak euro this side, and that's pretty much what's transpiring. So this thing has been in this downward trend for so long. Last week was really expecting us to have a trend reversal with the structure that was forming here. That's not to be had. So we're looking for opportunities to sell off this, and at the moment there's not much structure which is helping us out. So and look at the oscillators, they all group to the downside on the 8 hours. So you're looking for some kind of a pullback to sell into. If I look at the 1 hour, it doesn't look like you're going to get that opportunity. Oscillators group to the upside, price already in a downward trend, moving average crossover pointing down. All the signals are there. So what you want to do is pay attention to the 1 hour structure. So this is the level you want to be rejecting, so that's 0.85-400. There is a gap there. That's kind of what you would like that gap to close. I want that gap open. So again, this is a case for London breakout strategy, but you're looking for a breakout to the downside to confirm a move to the downside. So first 7 bars, draw a range around it, and your measured move is the height of that range to the downside. I'm not really interested in taking anything to the upside, not on the hour. So whatever pullback happens to structure, and you can see I've got a level here, but there's another one a little bit higher up over there. Any kind of pullback up into the 0.85 630 area is going to be an opportunity to be short again. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. Some half-hearted trades that are brewing at the moment, but very typical of a Monday morning with Forex. It's not really most pairs don't have a direction, so we typically just either scalping them or we wait for tomorrow before trading them. But anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.